Your LinkedIn headline is prime real estate. 220 characters that show up everywhere. In search, in messages, on posts, and most people waste it with senior manager at company X, or worse, seeking opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll have a headline formula that makes recruiters and hiring managers actually want to click, so stick with me. Your brain processes information in under 200 milliseconds. That's how long it takes to decide if something's worth your attention. So the recruiter scrolls on LinkedIn, sees your headline. Brain asks, is this a threat, an opportunity, or an ignore? Most headlines are limited to just a job title, Senior Marketing Manager at ABC. Brain says, not a threat, not an opportunity, ignore. Why? Because it's just a label. It's not a value proposition. Your brain is hardwired to care about problems and solutions, not titles. So if you want recruiters to click your headline, needs to state what you do so that they know they're in the right place, but also to answer two questions in 200 milliseconds. Number one, what problem do you solve? And number two, why should I care? That's it. Everything else is noise. So here's the formula that actually works. And there's three parts to this. Part one, what you do. And we're using problem-solving language here. This isn't your title, it's your functions. So a bad example would be Senior Financial Analyst. It's just a title. A good example might be, I turn messy data into decisions. Another bad example might be HR Business Partner. The good version of that, I help leaders build teams that actually work. It's a value proposition. You see the difference? One's a title, one's the value you deliver. Part two is the differentiator. What makes you different from every other person with the same job title? Some more examples of what this might look like. Former CEO turned coach. Ex-Big Four now helping scale-ups. Finance leader who actually speaks human. These are differentiators, they're unique to you. And this is the bit that makes people lean in. Part three, the audience. Who are you trying to reach? And you need to be specific here. Examples might include for tech founders, or helping mid-level managers escape stagnation, working with finance directors who hate spreadsheets. Specific beats generic every single time in this regard. So when we put all of that together, what have we got? It may read something like, I turn messy data into decisions. Former Big Four, now helping scale-ups grow without chaos. Working with CEOs who need clarity fast. That's interesting, it's clickable, and it's different. Notice the pattern. Problems are solved. There's a differentiator and there's a clear audience. Your headline isn't a biography. It's a billboard. You've got seconds to make somebody care. So stop listing credentials and start solving problems. Here's the homework. Rewrite your headline using this formula. Problem you solve, what makes you different, who you help. Test it for a week. See what happens to your profile views. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more SPARC Bites. It's tactical career advice with zero corporate nonsense in 5 minutes or less. And I'll see you next time.